In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music in Discord. So grab your headphones and get comfy because we'll be setting up some tunes in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to Discord. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in discord.com. Hit enter and let the page load. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Click on that to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you sign up because you'll need it to join or create servers. Okay, so assuming you've logged in successfully, the next step is to navigate to the Discord home. This is your main hub where you'll see all the servers you're a part of, your friends list, and any messages you might have received. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Now look at the left side of your screen. This is where your list of servers will appear. Click on any server you want to play music in. With your chosen server open, the next move is to dive into the settings. You can find this option somewhere on the left hand side of your server interface. It usually looks like a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it and a menu will open, displaying several options for you to tweak and adjust your Discord experience. Now here's where things start to ramp up a bit. In the settings menu, look for the app directory option. Click on it. This section is a treasure trove of applications that you can add to your server for various functionalities. Now within the app directory we need to find a specific bot called Greenbot, so head to the search bar, type in Greenbot and hit enter. Once the search results come up, you'll want to click on Greenbot. This bot is going to be your new best friend for streaming music in your server. After clicking on it, you'll see an option to add the app. It'll probably say something along the lines of add app or invite to server. Click on that and the app will be added to your server. And there you have it. Greenbot is now ready to help you bring some great music into your Discord server. You can start using the bot by typing in various commands that you can find on its support page or documentation. This setup allows you and your friends to enjoy music together, enriching your online gatherings with sound. Remember, having music on while gaming or just hanging out can really enhance the atmosphere. Enjoy your tunes and I hope this helped.